This is an upgraded replacement solution designed for Toyota hybrid vehicles. Using lithium-ion cell technology, each unit delivers 8 ampere-hours of capacity with a stable 7.2-volt output. The prismatic hard case construction offers robust structural integrity and excellent heat dissipation. Every cell is factory tested for OEM-grade fitment. Compared to factory nickel metal hydride cell, this lithium-ion version offers higher energy density and longer cycle life. Compatible with Toyota Prius Gen 1 and 2, Noah, Aqua, Auris, and other hybrid models. How does it perform? Let the data speak. Measured internal resistance below 3 ohms, less loss, higher efficiency. Voltage output stable at 7.3 volts with minimal fluctuation, ensuring excellent cell-to-cell consistency during charge and discharge. For hybrid batteries, consistency equals longevity and stability. Every lithium-ion cell is precision matched to original grade standards. Fits just right, goes together smoothly. Simple to install, and it's built to last.